Good morning, everybody. Here in Manila, you guys, it has been raining like a long time now, like few weeks, and it's not appetizing when I wake up in the morning because it's just nasty outside. Like, you can't go out because the rain is crazy. But today, I feel like I'm doing some vlog, so why not? And let's be productive a little bit. I am trying to get ready, heading out outside. I think I'm going to grab some, I don't know, something to cook. So maybe we can go to the store a little bit. So by the way, I'm actually alone here today. My sister is not here today, so probably she'll be here later. But let's do just some cooking. I think you guys has been requested of my cooking, so why not? Let's do it today. Let's just grab some ingredients at the store and let's see what we can do. But also, I really like to be in the pool as well, but I don't think we can do it because like right now I can already hear that it started raining already. But anyway, it is what it is. So let's go. Let's just get to look the pool a little bit. Ooh, nobody's here. Outside already, heading to the store. So you guys, there's actually a lot of places here in Manila that it's really flooding, and my sister stuck one of it, but I think she's good to go home today. Anyway, wow, people still swimming. There's just a crazy weather here. Thank you. It's windy. So I'm just gonna go to the market or the store that is just connected to the building. So I'm not gonna go that far. Just like grab some chicken. I think I actually miss eating chicken. So I think let's do that. Let's see if they have chicken. Okay, dang, it's frozen. I still have to wait for it. I think I go for the whole chicken. Let's do that. For my pimple though, this one is really good. I actually need to get this one because we had it in the refrigerator, one for me and one for my sis, but I eat it all. So let's grab two of this. That's actually really good. The almond Belgian chocolate ice cream. It's like more. Selecta is like one of this one. It's like famous ice cream in Philippines. Nice. Adding to the pimple. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna get some ingredients with it. Get some of this vegetable with it as well, and then some carrots. Alright, I guess we're all set. Literally, it's getting crazy again, the weather. But anyway, we got our groceries and I'm ready to cook. I just got back from the store. I'll show you what we got. So what we got chicken. Dang, it's just like frozen. I need to thaw it out. And also we have water spinach. We need some vegetables so get away from the sickness, yeah. And potato, carrots added to it, and also the long Filipino beans. And ta-da! Got some adding to our pimple. So one for me and one for Sissy. I'm not gonna eat that na until she's back here because I ate two of this like the other night and got like pimple everywhere now. So also we have chicken cubes. Actually this one is like a broth, but it's in a cube one. So that will be our ingredients into this cooking. And ta-da! The main ingredients to it. It is mamacita. So I'm actually going to make a chicken caldereta in Chinese version. Nice. I just found out in the refrigerator we have like some of this type of vegetables that I bought last time. It's like a frozen mixed vegetables. I think we can do this instead. I don't know, or maybe we can save this for next time and just like get the ingredients that I have today. Okay, so the total of these ingredients that I bought for this cooking is like $10. So we have chicken and vegetables and the ingredients to it. So that will be a $10 meal for today. You guys, literally, I just came up from grocery and look how crazy is the weather again. Jesus. Damn. Crazy, huh? Okay, so every Filipino cooking, we gotta have a rice. So first off, we make rice. It's just me and her though. A little bit of preview to our chicken caldereta cooking. So we have chicken here. By the way, this chicken is one of a high quality brand of a chicken here in Philippines. It's called Magnolia. As you can see, it's like super fresh. And so these are our vegetables, carrots, we have potato in there, and we have water spinach, long beans, and this one is like the chicken cubes, garlic, and the main ingredients is the Mamacita's caldereta spicy mix. So let's go cooking. It's almost done, you guys. I'm excited to eat. I'll show you. Okay, so this is our chicken caldereta with a lot of mixed vegetables. So you guys, this is actually not a typical caldereta in Filipino because they normally don't put this type of vegetable to it. But when I cook, I just like to put like a bunch of vegetables in my cooking so I could have like, you know, vitamins with it and like just a bit healthy. This is actually done and I'm just going to transfer it. My goodness, finally our cooking is done. It has been almost an hour that I've been cooking, and this is just like the part of cooking. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's fun to cook, but it takes a lot of time. Anyway, I'm excited to eat it, you guys. I'm gonna transfer it here and I'll show you the aftermath with it. Ooh, a lot of vegetables. I do love vegetables in any cooking that I cook or I make, and it's just, it gives me like more of like the healthiness to it when I look to my dish that has like colorful vegetables to it. I'm excited. It's actually yum. Oops. Okay. So this is actually nice because like there's potatoes in there, there's green vegetables in it, and also there's like a little bit of a sauce where you can put it into your rice. So this is Chin's cooking for today. $10 a day you can live here in Philippines. Guys, $10 a day and you can have this meal in a day here in Philippines. Look at it. Like, yeah, this is like a lot. Probably like 4 people can feed this. But anyway, let's go eat. I'm just getting rice, by the way. Final product of chicken caldereta. You guys, look at this. You have sauce, you have mix of vegetables. It looks really healthy. Bon appetit. I have rice in here. Look how cute is our rice. Well, I guess I have to eat with myself. I am actually excited. Love the juice. So put it in there. Get some chicken. I do like the fact that there's like mix of the chicken with bunch of vegetables in it, and there's also like a juice. There's also a juice that you could pour it to your rice. It's super nice. Ah, yummy. Taste. I already know the taste of it because every time I cook, I always like to taste my cooking. So I know if I need to add salt or anything else. So, super yum. It's so yummy. Now I can have multiple husband. Just kidding.